rid of the cabin control, make a lot quieter in here. Pylons out on the left, 10 o'clock, spotted India now. I think that's the mast over in the 1 o'clock. Now the arrow's pointing me to the actual start point, and confirm that on the map. Right, nothing on the right hand side out there. The sun is not going to be pleasant. Okay, nice into the first start point. I'm stepping up to the next point now. I'm going to designate that. And here we are in Loch Ness. Let's get rid of that for the moment. Right. A little bit quicker at the moment. Let's just slow it down. Just checking in the 6 for any bounces that might be coming in. So bring it over the left hand side. Just for a bit of look. All clear down there and reversing. Okay, pulling 3.94 G now. And let's avoid Port Augustus. Oh, coming around. Don't want to rot the locals off, that's for sure. Alright, 450 knots. Pylons over through there. Clear of those. And let's go down. A little bit fast. Pylons on the right hand side. Okay, that's a bingo fuel. I got 5,000 for first check fuel. Let's go down into the side of the lake slightly. Keeping on the wood line. And nicely down in the woods down here. Okay, next one on straight on, a bit of a round the corner. And round. Little 3G squeeze. And way behind. Right, for ultra low flying now, we've been down at 100 feet. And we're cleared at 250. Okay, so follow the line round. I've got the pylons out on the right hand side. Some bad weather coming up ahead. I'm doing 8 miles a minute nearly. Tends to creep up fairly quickly. Have to keep a good look on that one. And coming left. Okay, squeezing 4G round the corner. And rolling out. Speed a bit high. Nice valley off to the right there. Looking pretty clear. Okay, the weather's looking a little bit iffy on there. However, nice little pocket to go through. Look at the weather up there. It's not looking too bad. Whereas this side, it's looking fine. Stick it round. Still nothing in the 6. And round the corner. Lots of buffet coming on. 4.8 G. I think we'll aim down the right hand side of this valley. As a pilot, you hate being unsighted with your belly as you go around the old turns. Without a doubt, it's not the most pleasant of feelings. Not overly tactical going over the water like this. This is where I should be. If you're actually sat here on the wood line, very difficult to spot from upstairs by a fighter. Perhaps just a little diversion over here, just to show you this. Because if I do this, and then bring it up, and that, hopefully that'll look nice. Jeebus. Right, 2000. I'm just there now. Powering back. Come back for 420. Right, you can see on the G meter there, the max G we pulled was 5.
The G meter is down on the left-hand side.
I'll go due east.
About to commence the first of his practice bombing runs, note the height reading, top right on the HUD display.
1-8. Three in hot, target 5. 3 clear hot. One base. Two in hot, target 5. Roger, clear hot. Two off right. Three switches safe. 3 switches safe. Leaving IP, abort code Alpha Alpha.
Alpha Alpha, copied. Target, soft skim vehicle. Soft skim vehicle lies between two light coloured aeroplanes. On your attack heading, one aeroplane will be 20 metres short and 1 metre, second aeroplane 20 metres long.
1-8, roger.
Target lies in low ground. There's a ridge line that runs along the right hand side of the target. You need to be on the left hand side of the ridge line.
Right, 1.5 miles out looking.
12 o'clock, 1K.
Visual.
Right.
Target. Four in hot, target 6. 4 clear hot. Hot 4. 2 aircraft transmitting together. Go downwind.
Now, watch the approach to this target.
One base.
4 off drive.
Dickhead.
3 downwind.
You dive, target 5. You complete plonker. You complete and utter dickhead. Too high, not good pass. Oh well.